Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! So today's video, i-share ko sa inyo ang aming Daytour itinerary papuntang Mount Pinatubo. 2 AM ng June 10, 2023, umalis na kami ng Manila papuntang Capas, Tarlac. Around 4:20 AM kami nakarating ng Capas, Tarlac, and pinadiretso na rin kami sa tourist information to register and sign the waiver. Don't worry kung may dala kayong car kasi meron naman silang pay parking. Isa kami sa mga naunang dumating kaya before 6 AM nakasakay na kami ng 4x4 vehicle. Kailangan nyo magdala ng face mask or bandana kasi sobrang alikabok ng daan. We booked our tour sa tripoint.com.ph for June 10, 2023. That time, ang requirement for all ages is COVID vaccination card or certificate, and sa mga participants naman na 60 years old and above, they must bring a medical certificate or a travel insurance. After ng ilang minutes, nag-stop over kami dito sa tinatawag nilang Toblerone Hills kasi kahawig daw ng Toblerone. Kahawig nga ba? Around 6:40 AM, nag-start na kami mag-trekking papuntang Mount Pinatubo. Sa mga naghahanap dyan na pang beginners na hiking, natakot din sa heights katulad ko, this place is perfect for you. Ang rate nga pala per head aming tour is 2,499 and kasama din doon yung round trip 4x4 ride adventure through the canyons, no sharing with other groups, tour guide from Team Tripinas, no sharing with other groups then, and all the fees like AITA fee or bottleland fee kasi kasama na siya sa package. As per Kuya Guide, ang estimated trekking is 1.5 hours to 2 hours, depende sa naglalakad.
Let's go. Oops. A few moments later.
Dito, nagpahinga lang kami saglit, tapos lakad ulit.
Wawa naman. Antok na ikaw, namumula na yung mata mo. Kilala mo ba kung sino bumubuhat sa'yo?
Tour guide ito.
Ano?
Later.
Nakalagay nga dito, for young age, that's easy. For middle age, You can do it. For senior citizen, just try it. Finally, we're here! Meron kaming 2 hours na free time dito sa Crater Lake. Buti na lang kami yung mga naunang dumating kaya wala pa masyadong tao. Mount Pinatubo Eruption. A beautiful disaster. On June 15, 1991, the historical eruption Mount Pinatubo happened. It has been a dormant volcano for the past 400 years before the 1991 eruption, which is considered as the second largest eruption of the 20th century. Mount Pinatubo expelled massive volcanic materials of more than 1 cubic mile and created an enormous cloud of volcanic ash that turned the day into night over Central Luzon. Now, it stands as the most famous tourist spot in the municipality of Botolan in the province of Zambales. Mount Pinatubo, a beautiful disaster.